Alright guys, so we're going to do a meal prep this week. I have not cooked with y'all in a long time, but today we're going to be cooking and hopefully I got everything that I need so that I won't be running back and forth with y'all, okay? So we're going to be doing some lovely chicken wings, but guess what? I'm going to show you how we're going to do them in the air fryer. So let's do the rundown like we always do. Ooh, I ain't did this in a long time, y'all. I don't know what to say to myself. So what you're gonna need some chicken wings. I got 2 pounds of chicken wings, party wings. I have an air fryer. You're gonna need a couple seasonings and some oil. So I have extra virgin olive oil right here, but if you like me, you can just use the olive oil in the can to spray it because you have to flip it anyway, so that's a good thing. We're gonna use, ooh, don't do that. We got some paprika right here, smoked paprika. It really got a smoke to it. You're gonna need garlic powder, a little bit of salt, some garlic pepper. You know I love garlic over here, you know. And you're gonna need onion powder. I like to put accent a little bit, and some of them I'm gonna try this ranch seasoning. So this is optional, but it does not have to be in the party mix. And then let me show you what the party chicken wings look like. I was about to say, is these party chicken wings or not? And these are party chicken wings. We just have some chicken breast in there as well. So what you want to do is go ahead and take your bowl, and you want to use a half a teaspoon of seasoning. So I'm going to put a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika in here. Now I pre-seasoned them a little bit, but still I want to just do a little bit more. So half of paprika, smoke if you have it. Smoke is better because it has like this nice little flavor to it. Then you want to do a half of garlic powder, and you want powder. You don't want salt or anything like that because that's going to make it salty, and that's not what we're looking for. You want to go ahead and get you some black pepper if you have regular black pepper, or you have the garlic black pepper, and the more the merrier for me. Go ahead and get you some onion powder. I haven't did this in so long. Like, I'm just normally just taking seasonings down to the top and I just throw them in there, and I don't even be worried about. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of accent salt, just a little bit, not even to fill this whole thing up. Boom. And all I'm gonna do is just mix this around like so. Ooh, look at that. A little bit is gonna go a long way. So we'll sit that down right there. Next thing, you want to go take you some chicken wings, and you just want to sit them on a paper towel, and you want to pat them dry. Now we did season these with a little salt and pepper. That's why I said you don't really need to add salt to it, and they have been cleaned and rinsed off already. Now depending on what type of air fryer you have, you don't want to over capacitate the air fryer because it's not going to cook well. I have a medium sized air fryer, not the big daddy. Not the big daddy, but it works. All I'm going to do is paper towel and just pat it dry. Once you get done patting it dry, we're going to use this again. So just put it somewhere safe haven. You want to take the seasonings you have right here and just sprinkle. Hold on. Before you sprinkle it, you want to spray it. So go ahead and spray it. Like so. And once you do that, you just want to sprinkle your seasoning on top. You say a little bit goes a long way. Rub it in. Like so. Make sure everybody gets a little bit of somebody in there. And then once you get done doing that, you want to go ahead and just sit them in the air fryer. Okay? Make sure they're not overpacked. They're not on top of each other. And they're sitting in here and they have their own little space. So for mine, I can sit about a good 6 of them in here. Yeah, I can sit 6 of them in here. And I have one in there already. So that's going to work out really, really well. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray it again on top. Put a little bit of the seasoning on top and pat it in. Like so. And this is what it looks like in the air fryer. And I'm going to go ahead and stick it in the air fryer. Now, I'm going to bring y'all over here. Walk with me, walk with me. Walk with me, talk with me. So yeah, so we have it in the air fryer right now. And all I'm gonna do is plug it up. So this is gonna take 20 minutes to cook. So first thing first, you wanna set your timer, and you want your chicken to cook at 370, and you want it to cook for the first, I'm gonna put it on 20 for the first 10 minutes at 370. Once it gets halfway, you want to take it and you want to flip it, and then you want to turn it up to 390. So when I come back, you're going to see me turn this up to 390, and it's going to finish. It's going to be juicy inside, crispy on the outside, and you're going to be what? Love it. So when I come back, I'm going to show you the final product of the chicken for our meal prep starting off this week. Bam! Tell me what the chicken say. Crap, pop, pop. So this is halfway through, and do you not see how crispy the chicken is getting? So all we're gonna do is just flip them over. Flip, flip, flippity flip. So flip them over to the side that was not on the rack. Okay. Ooh, they looking juicy. And then all we're gonna do is turn it up to 390. Cook the rest of the 6 to 8 minutes on that. And guess what? When they come back out, baby, these things are going to be hot and delicious. So yeah, I'm just gonna turn up the temperature of 390, and them little chicken things gonna be done. So I'll be back in just a few. Are y'all ready to see this baked air fried chicken? Look how to think about it. Ooh, look at that. This chicken is not playing no games. Look, my hand's all in the way. I'm gonna put it in this pan. I know everybody got one of these old grandma pans. This pan is going to be passed down generation to generation. But look how crispy the chicken came out to be. I'm just going to take and pick up my hand. Quit being fancy. Look at that. Oh, it's hot, it's hot. But look at the chicken. So let me just slide down over. Y'all know how we do it. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Okay. So look how juicy air fried that chicken came out to be. Okay, so now we're just going to taste a little sample. Ooh, taste a little sample of the chicken. Juicy, crispy, and no blood inside. Ooh, juicy, crispy. Oh, this tastes good with no blood inside. So that's how we're gonna finish up cooking the rest of these chickens in the air fryer. And then when I come back, I'm just gonna put a nice lovely picture right here, and then we're gonna move on to our next meal prep for the week. This is bun. Need to try it out. Easy, especially for the men, especially for the beginners that don't know how to cook, or the lazy people that just like don't want to make a big mess. Try this out.